Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're discussing the media FUD and outright lies regarding Tesla's demand in 2024. In fact, Tesla posted record sales since those reports came out. I'm Brian, the Finance Ninja. Let's go. This all started after the Q4 2023 earnings call. Don't worry, I took notes. Here's what Tesla said on their slides. Our company is currently between two major growth waves. The first one began with the global expansion of the Model 3 and Y platform, and the next one we believe will be initiated by the global expansion of the next generation vehicle platform. In 2024, our vehicle volume growth rate may be notably lower than the growth rate achieved in 2023. As our teams work on the launch of the next generation vehicle at Gigafactory, Texas. In 2024, the growth rate of deployment and revenue in our energy storage business should outpace the automotive business. Sounds logical, right? The Model Y is the best-selling vehicle in the world. How much more are we really expecting out of it? It's a beast. All Tesla is saying is we're gearing up for our next S-curve. On the call, Elon elaborated that the next growth wave will be the next-gen vehicle, energy storage, FSD, and other projects. I'm kind of curious what other projects are. It should start showing results in late 2025. However, this does not mean that growth has stopped in the interim. Now, how did the media and analysts interpret this? Reuters. Tesla erases $80 billion in valuation after Musk's sales warning. Oh, how about this quote from Reuters? Tesla is increasingly looking like a traditional auto company, said Bernstein analyst Tony Sacconaghi. That's a good one. Before we continue, I've done an evaluation model on Tesla's robotaxi and automotive divisions. Check them out on my Patreon. How much do I think Tesla is worth today? You can find out on Patreon. CNN. Tesla's reports indicate sales, but growth slows in the face of growing EV competition. Tesla never mentioned EV competition affecting them. CNN made that up. That is a lie. The BBC. Tesla is forecasting a sharp sales slowdown this year, becoming the latest car company to warn of sagging demand. Tesla did not warn of sagging demand. Again, the media lied. This is beyond FUD. This is straight lying to people. This is bullcrap. And these companies should be sued. The BBC goes on to say, Tesla slashed prices repeatedly last year in a bid to keep demand up. See, here's the thing. The article doesn't even state there is a second wave coming until halfway through the article. Most people don't read past the headline. The media knows this. This is deceptive. Most people will glance at the headline and assume that Tesla is doomed. Do you think Tesla is doomed? I don't. What is really happening then in the world of Tesla sales? Oh, looky here. January posted its best sales ever in the United States. Well, what do you know? That looks like demand issues to me. But what about the other territories? But first, Shamo says to like and subscribe. China, best January ever at 71,000 units. Australia, best ever, 5% over last year. By the way, a big shout out to Roland Percher for compiling this information. Belgium, best ever. France, best ever. Let's zoom out a little bit. The US, 65% increase. Belgium, 200% increase. Norway, 5,000% increase. Spain, 206%. Sweden, 224%, and so on. January was Tesla's best January ever. The only negative territory is, well, Taiwan. Did the media ever retract their articles? No. Did the media ever create new articles about January sales? No, of course not. Their job is to create FUD and hit pieces on Tesla. Nothing more. In fact, Giga Berlin currently crossed recently the 6,000 unit barrier of the Model Y per week, on their way to 10,000 units. Does those look like demand issues to you? It's craziness. Now, these are record-breaking numbers. This January achievement is even more impressive when considering the global economic challenges faced in recent times. In fact, there are no demand issues at Tesla. There are issues with interest rates and price cuts to compensate for those interest rates. But if you want to see demand issues, look at Ford and GM. Now, when the compact car comes out, look out. Speaking of, would Tesla be creating a Mexican gigafactory if there was a demand problem? Would Tesla be building a lithium refinery in Corpus Christi if there was a demand problem? Would Tesla be increasing their capex spending in 2024 if there was a demand problem? I can go on. Tesla's success in January has undoubtedly made waves in the electric vehicle market. The competition is shaking. In fact, they are so worried that GM and Ford are cutting EV capital spend. Tesla is taking their EV lead, and Tesla is expanding it, growing it, dominating the industry like never before. Tesla can price their vehicles such that no other competitor can think of competing. No other company outside of China can even produce these vehicles at a profit. Tesla's record-breaking sales numbers can be attributed to their expansion into new markets, such as various Asian countries and Europe. The company has also made significant investments in infrastructure, including the construction of new gigafactories and the expansion of their supercharger network. Tesla's January sales record is just the beginning of what's to come for the company and the electric vehicle market as a whole. With a growing global demand and EVs and increased competition among manufacturers, we can expect to see even more impressive sales numbers and technological investments in the coming years. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.